stay hydrated. I don't know who to look at now. An action. Okay, let's go. This is so weird. Why is this so weird? Okay, let's go. Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Dani, and today we are back, not after 2 months because I'm just so organized with my life. So today's video is actually gonna be me filming a tutorial, not following one. I know I filmed that last week and I actually wanted to do another one, but this is so weird. Anyways, I am actually doing a live right now and I'm gonna show the camera. All my live peeps. Guys, I'm actually filming. Okay. Today's video is going to be a tutorial. I actually filmed me following a tutorial, the Kylie Jenner makeup tutorial. I filmed that last week and I actually wanted to do a different one this week, but it's a little weird putting 2 videos of the same kind out in a week. So today I'm going to be filming a tutorial. I'm going to be filming I really don't know what this makeup look is called. It's inspired by Pony the makeup artist. I don't know if you guys know about her, but she is so good at what she does. I love her stuff. So I tried to do a makeup look the other day of her makeup looks because I just love her stuff. So we're gonna try and follow through with a look that is inspired by her makeup looks, and let's go. This is the Dani edition. Let's go. Hopefully this video is less than half an hour long, so let's go. I forgot my tape. Be right back, homies. I found my tape. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, this is not how you do a makeup tutorial, this is the Dani edition. First thing we're gonna do is put tape under our eyes because I want that kind of winged look. Thank you to Kylie's makeup artist who taught me the way, because I didn't know. Yes. Okay, tape is on my eyes. I forgot my eyeshadow. I don't know where my eyeshadow is. We can now do eyeshadow. For today's look, the eyeshadow palette that I'm using, we are going to be using this bad boy. It's the Mini Pony Dream Eye Palette by Miniso. Here it is. I actually have used it once or twice. Actually, I've used it once before. As soon as I saw this, I thought Pony the makeup artist. First thing we're going to do is taking this. It looks legit matte white on camera, but it's actually a shimmery like pearl color. It's really nice. I like it a lot. And we're just gonna put that all over the lid as the base color. Ooh, looks like nothing on my eyes. Second step, we're going to be taking this color right here. It's very much a matte caramel brown nudie kind of color. We're literally gonna smack that shit on because this isn't really pigmented, which is kind of sad because I really wanted it to be, but yeah. So we're gonna put that on the lid, in the crease actually, and you can be as messy as you want because we got that tape on. We don't have our foundation on. That's what I was trying to say. What the fudge was that? Next color we're gonna be taking is this rose gold kind of color. I don't know what to really call it, but it is very pretty. It's very much a pony makeup color. I feel like she'd have this in every single kit, like makeup palette of hers, because it's such a pony color. It's very shimmery, very pigmented, for sure her color. And we are going to be taking that and putting it on the lid. Oh, on the crease. Is he still watching? He's probably not even watching. Wow, I'm gonna look like a freaking disco ball. You're actually joking. You listen to BTS? Okay, so the next shadow we're gonna be taking is this dark brown. It is just a shimmery dark brown color. It's just your average dark brown color. This look doesn't look anything like the look I was meant to be doing. I'm concerned now. This look actually isn't meant to look like this. But we'll fix it. We'll fix it. Maybe we won't, but we'll try. Okay, let us move on to the next look, huh? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, the next step, we are going to be taking the NYX Angel Veil Primer. This stuff is my holy grail. I use it on pretty much everyone, including myself. But yeah, we're just gonna blend the primer in with my fingers because I'm that ratchet. Now, because my skin has been breaking out quite a bit, it usually doesn't break out a lot, but for some reason my skin was like, oh hey, let's give you some friends. I'm going to be using the Enlighten CC cushion under my foundation. I feel like this just gives that extra coverage. That's what we need when we got our friends on our face, like, you know. We're gonna be taking the CC cushion, and this is actually a universal shade. It kind of just blends into your skin, which is really cool. Pretty much everywhere. It's gonna make me look like a real ghost. For foundation, I am going to be using the duo that I actually used in my last makeup video. It is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in Ivory and the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in Fair. I usually do 2 pumps of this and 1 pump of this. And we're gonna mix it. I don't know if this is considered as a kabuki brush, but we're gonna use it anyway as a kabuki brush. Using a flat foundation brush, I'm just gonna blend everything in. And for concealer, today we are going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I ran out of my usual Master Conceal concealer, and we're just gonna make a triangle under our eyes so that we get that full effect. And we want to look flawless because pony inspired makeup, she's always flawless. Okay, using the pony palette again, we need to fix under our eyes because using an angled brush, I'm just going to be taking the 3 main colors that I took before. So just taking the nude, the turquoise, this isn't turquoise, rose gold, how did turquoise come out of my mouth, and brown. We're just going to be taking those 3 and putting them under our eyes because we want to connect all the colors together and make it look natural. And to complete the eye look, I usually take the Australis Metallics eyeshadow in the color Guns and Rose Petals. This is my all-time rose gold favorite eyeshadow. And I usually take this with an eye definer brush and just take it and put it in the inner corners of my eye, kind of blending it into my lid. This stuff is so pigmented, so the less you put on, the more bedazzled you look. Oh, I'll put too much on. After putting it in your inner corners, I usually run it down on the bottom lash line, just so it's kind of highlighted and in your face. I look so good. Okay. Yay, now it actually looks like the pony makeup I wanted. For contour, I'm just going to be taking my NYX Wonder Stick contour stick. This stuff is my holy grail. I never was into cream contour until I used this stuff, because it's like you can use it and not worry about where your brush is going to go, because it's just, you have so much control. I love it for that. And then taking my foundation brush again, I'm just going to blend it in so it doesn't look too harsh, because I feel like if you blend it with a bronzer it may look too harsh, and we don't want that harsh contour. We just want something subtle, so when the sun hits your face you can tell that there is a bit of a contour. Brows. So for brows, we're going to be taking the BYS Brow Definition Kit. This is essentially what I use all the time on my brows. I use nothing else. Like, I am not bothered to splurge on some brow products, but I really should, because brows are life. Like, I can never leave the house without my filled eyebrows. Taking the Australis Brow Lift Concealer and Highlighter Pencil, I'm just gonna highlight my brows, because I feel like highlighted brows are seriously a life changer. And I didn't realize until I actually got this product and started using it, like, giving your brows some highlight makes it look so defined. It's a lifesaver, man. For lashes, usually I would put on false lashes. The lashes I actually use are here. For lashes, I usually use some slim false eyelashes from Miniso. These are so cheap. They're like for $5 and you get like 10. And they're so natural. But I'm not going to be using lashes today because I actually feel like just putting some mascara on and just layering it on to make it look like false lashes. But if you do have very short and slim lashes, definitely try the slim eyelashes from Miniso. They're amazing, and they're very, very natural and light on your lashes, which is always game changer. It's always a game changer. But since I don't have short, like really short and sparse lashes, I'm just gonna be taking the False Lash Waterproof Miss Manga Mascara by L'Oreal. I feel like this gives the same effect to my lashes as those natural falsies, which is essentially what I'm going for. It's a natural lash lift, essentially. So you don't want to be putting anything too heavy. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't put eyeliner on, so yeah, keeping it very, very, very natural with the lashes and the eyeshadow. And for lips, I'm not going to be using anything too heavy, so today I'm going to be using the BYS Lip Plumper. It's just a clear gloss and it makes your lips look like, no it doesn't, but just gives you that nice plump which we want. And maybe take the foundation off your lips before you do it because it doesn't look good right now. Oh, it's kind of, can't really tell on camera. I have foundation on my lips. There we go. It's all gone. We done. So that is the completed look. Very natural, but still like, whoa, oh hey there. But I still like that, ooh, you've got a glam going on, you know. I just really like how this is simple but still like, because you have that shimmer in your inner corner, which I really like. But yeah, this is the completed makeup look for the pony inspired makeup look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, share it. And also watch out for my Dani XPH vlogs because they are on their way. I released episode 1 last week. Yeah, last week. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that vlog. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! I love you! Mwah.
Lemonade was a popular drink and it still is. I get more props and stunts than Bruce Willis.